Stop eating cucumbers the old way. Just by pickling them with apple cider vinegar, fresh dill, and a few simple ingredients, you'll have a jar of delightfully crunchy, tangy, pickled cucumbers that make your meals more exciting, stimulate your appetite, aid digestion, and leave your stomach feeling light after heavy, greasy food. Which country are you watching from? Please leave your country in the comments. I love reading messages from all around the world. First, I soak the cucumbers in water with a bit of baking soda for about 10 minutes. Cucumber skins can collect dirt during growing and transport, so I use this method to deeply clean any impurities off the skin. Then, I rinse them with clean water and pat them completely dry. If any moisture remains, it will dilute the brine, dull the flavor, and make the pickles spoil or form a film faster during storage. Next, trim a small piece off both ends of each cucumber. This removes the enzymes that can cause them to go soft, keeping your pickles extra crunchy for longer. And here is my favorite ingredient in this recipe: fresh dill. Not only does it bring a signature aroma, but dill is also packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, and natural antioxidants, adding a nutritious boost to our pickles. I've already picked out all the yellow leaves and tough stems, washed the dill clean, and let it dry completely. Next, I'll prepare the aromatics that give these pickles their unique character: ginger, garlic, and black peppercorns. First up is the ginger. I've washed it thoroughly and sliced it thinly. Ginger adds a subtle, soothing warmth and a lovely aroma that pairs beautifully with apple cider vinegar for a well-rounded flavor. For the garlic, I crush the cloves instead of chopping them fine. This allows the essential oils to infuse into the liquid much easier, making the pickles noticeably more fragrant and flavorful. Finally, black peppercorns. I use whole peppercorns because as they pickle, their flavor slowly releases, adding a delicate warmth and natural aroma without making the brine overpowering. I prepare 300 milliliters purified water, 300 milliliters apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon pink Himalayan salt. I add all these into a pot over low heat. As it heats up, I stir continuously until the salt fully dissolves and everything comes together nicely. I prefer pink Himalayan salt because it contains various natural minerals, offers a milder saltiness, and works wonderfully for homemade pickling. Now let's layer everything into a clean, fully dried glass jar. First, I place a layer of dill at the bottom to release that wonderful aroma right from the start. Then, I pack the cucumbers in tightly, standing them side by side. Packing them snugly ensures the cucumbers stay fully submerged in the brine so they absorb the flavors evenly. Next, I tuck the sliced ginger, crushed garlic, and black peppercorns in between the cucumbers. The final, but essential ingredient is sugar. I add it directly into the jar to balance the acidity of the apple cider vinegar, making the flavor well-rounded without being sharp. Once everything is packed, pour the hot brine directly into the jar. This locks in the vibrant green color, sterilizes the surface, and instantly releases the aroma of the herbs and spices. After pouring in the hot brine, I leave the jar uncovered at room temperature until it cools down completely, which takes about 2 to 3 hours. Seal the jar tightly, give it a few upside-down shakes to dissolve the sugar evenly, and store it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. And after 2 to 3 days of waiting, it's time to enjoy our creation. Take that first bite and you'll immediately hear that satisfying crunch. The clean tang of apple cider vinegar, combined with the fragrance of dill and the gentle warmth of ginger and black pepper, makes these pickles irresistibly addictive. You can eat them whole to enjoy the full crunch or slice them up for sandwiches and burgers. They go amazingly well together. Each cucumber is infused with a mild sourness, a touch of sweet clarity, and a delightful crispness. What's your go-to side dish to refresh your palate after a heavy meal? Share it in the comments. These pickled cucumbers aren't just a delicious, crunchy side dish. They bring together high-value natural ingredients, refreshing, low-calorie cucumbers, vitamin and antioxidant-rich dill, fermented apple cider vinegar, and mineral-packed pink salt. I hope this recipe helps you add a delightful and easy-to-make side dish to your home cooking rotation. If you have your own secret tips for making even better pickled cucumbers, please share them in the comments so we can all learn together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss simple recipes made from everyday kitchen ingredients. Thank you so much for watching today. Wishing you many delicious meals and lots of joy. Goodbye and see you in the next video.